Planet 13 Holdings continues to go on a tear. It has crossed $4 now. It's also at its all-time high. We're going to go in today's video and learn more about Planet 13 Holdings, seeing what's going on, what's causing this rise. Is it because of a YouTuber by the name of Jeremy, or is it something else going on? We're going to go into that in today's video. We're going to look at some of the investor relations and see if this is a good opportunity for you to get in if you haven't yet. Personally, I am a shareholder of this stock. So we're going to go into this video and look more about this company and see if it's a good long-term hold or if you should get out. If this is your first time checking out this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate the support. Let's get into it, guys. So Planet 13 has continued its absolutely crazy run as of late. You can see here that it's reached at a $4 over. So the stock has moved quite a bit since its June numbers at $1.56. It's more than doubled since then. All of the technical indicators also showing a really bullish pattern. You can see here from the EWO indicator as well as the MACD is still showing that it's at a strong upward trend. The RSI is showing obviously overbought because that's all-time high. So that'll be something to keep an eye on if you're looking to get in. Is when the RSI starts to go back down. In regards to any major catalysts and news, there doesn't seem to be that much news-wise that's generating these major buzz. There is something from Yahoo Finance that I'll show you in just a second. One of the major catalysts from Planet 13's move is also from this August 10th press release. Planet 13 was awarded the Nevada dispensary license. They were awarded a retail cannabis license through the settlement of lawsuit against the Nevada Department of Taxation. A leading vertically integrated Nevada cannabis company today announced it has agreed to a settlement of its ongoing lawsuit against the Nevada Department of Taxation and other parties which subsequently joined the litigation. As part of the settlement, Planet 13 is receiving one provisional adult use dispensary license and an unincorporated Clark County, Nevada license. The license will be used to reopen Planet 13's former dispensary located at the 4850 Sunset Road in Las Vegas, Nevada, that closed on October 30, 2018. The Meta dispensary at 4850 Sunset Road in Las Vegas is a fully built out 4,750 square foot store that offers the same dedication to customer service, high quality products, and innovation that Planet 13 is known for, all in a compact footprint designed to complement its local neighborhood. The Medellin dispensary was closed on October 30 to transfer the license to the Planet 13 Superstore located next to the Las Vegas Strip. During the last full quarter of operations, Q3 2018, the Medellin dispensary generated $4.9 million in revenue with a gross margin of 53%. The Medellin dispensary requires no additional capex to open. So at a high overview, if you're not familiar with what Planet 13 Holdings is, it is a vertically integrated cannabis company based in Nevada. Planet 13 owns the world's largest cannabis store steps from the Las Vegas Strip. The Planet 13 Cannabis Entertainment Complex, the winner of Leafly's 2018 Nevada Dispensary of the Year, offers an unparalleled customer experience focused on unique interactive entertainment and some of the best cannabis products offered anywhere in the U.S. The Planet 13 Superstore acts as a showcase for a growing portfolio of branded products, including vapes, edibles, pre-rolls, and concentrates. Planet 13's ambition is to operate ultra-high-end dispensaries in Tier 1 markets nationwide and to sell their brands, the Medellin, the Trendy, and Leaf and Vine, in both of their branded stores and wholesale. So they've got 6 total cannabis licenses, fully licensed for cultivation, retail distribution, and more in the rapidly growing Nevada market space. So they've got the largest dispensary on planet Earth, is what they're saying. It is the largest cannabis superstore and entertainment complex on planet Earth, as they're describing it. Rated as the top Las Vegas marijuana dispensary, Planet 13 thrives on to provide the best quality cannabis extracts, infused products available at competitive prices. They are quickly expanding into the 112,000 square foot site for the phase two. That's huge. We bring the Las Vegas experience to you all under one roof. You will soon be able to enjoy freshly brewed coffee, a bite to eat, as well as see how our products are made. Our goal is to provide a one of a kind cannabis experience. This mission guides every step we take in our business, from the types of products they offer. So this is one of the products, the Medizin, premium quality from start to finish. The Medizin is an exists of to provide a variety of award-winning products. Growing marijuana is an art form, and we treat it as such. All Medizin plant genetics are hand-selected, starting with proprietary award-winning strand, the Chloe. Careful attention is paid to the cultivation process to ensure that all the Medizin products are best in class. They have a product called Trendy, which specializes in craft cannabis products that create the trend. It's a cutting edge technology and a unique visual approach. We deliver an exceptional disposable vape pen product that allows you to stand out from the rest. Another brand is the Leaf and Vine. Luxurious cannabis is the description. Leaf and Vine brings sophisticated cannabis concentrates and delightful flavors to your fingertips. Created with hand-picked strains and high-quality vaporizing technology, Leaf and Vine disposable vapes are simple yet elegant. Another brand is the Coffee for the Planet. Looks like they're going to offer some greenhouse environment, a chill environment to grab a cup of coffee. The Planet 13 Premium CBD card, which will give you high-end products that are custom formulated and curated with this full spectrum of and CBD isolates. They've got some edibles here, Dreamland chocolates, as well as some other, looks like edibles, which is THC infused gummies. Okay, so according to their press release, they've got two locations in Nevada and California, two retail locations in Nevada, Planet 13, the Superstore, as well as the Medizin dispensary opening in the Q3 of 2020. Their in-house brands and wholesale, 3 cultivation facilities, the 3 production facilities, the multiple top-line SKUs that they've got. 29% of in-house sales in Q2 are the Planet 13 brands, as well as California, looking at an H1 of 2021 opening at Santa Ana Superstore. So they'll be having 2 superstores heading into next year. So some stats here. In 2019, the revenue was $63 million. Last year, they had 1 million visitors, 9% of Nevada's total cannabis sales in 2019. So for a visualization standpoint, this is where the Superstore is positioned in Las Vegas. It is very close in on the strip. You can see it from the image. A little bit more of a timeline snapshot of what's going on with the momentum of the business. You can see here that the revenue is pretty consistent at 16.5 million, and heading into 2021 they'll have that other Superstore, which should definitely generate some more business, as well as that reopening of the Medizin dispensary. So some of the focus for this company in 2020 is to maintain 8 to 10% share of Nevada's total cannabis sales, to leverage the production facility and additional cultivation facility to grow share of Nevada wholesale cannabis sales and increase margin at their retail locations, gain share of Las Vegas Valley residents through the Medizin dispensary and delivery of the business. You can see that they have a compound annual growth rate of 16.9% that they've forecasted. And something that I think is pretty exciting to look at as an investor is their 2020 U.S. objectives and moving outwards. So they'll have, like we were talking about, their first out-of-state expansion at Santa Ana, California. Looking at other markets, you can see that Seattle, Portland, which are already recreational friendly, Vancouver, Canada as well, and some other markets that they've identified as potential locations for this next facility or the next superstores. The win and acquire additional licenses for tier 1 markets. So the 5-year outlook, they're looking at to have 8 superstores in tier 1 markets across the US. If a city is affluent enough to support a major sports team, Planet 13 is interested in opening a premium cannabis superstore. So you can see what they're looking like, their long-term growth plan and it looks pretty interesting. Some of these markets are definitely huge hotspot potentials that can really drive business revenue for Planet 13 Holdings. So I think this is a really exciting company to invest in. It's gone up quite a bit, so that can maybe make some people hesitant to getting in. I got in this stock a while back at $3 cost base, so I'm going to be holding on and seeing where this company goes. I think their pipeline is pretty interesting. It really just boils down to what you think about this specific industry because of how things are with different regulations in different states and at the federal level. But let's go in. But it's definitely an interesting play with a lot of upside potential, but a lot of risk as well. All right, guys, so that'll wrap up the video. It's pretty interesting what's going on with Planet 13 Holdings. It's gone up quite a bit, in this past month. There is potentially still a lot of upside. I mean, the market cap is relatively low. There has been some new grounds, positive news that's come out, as well as the investing community on YouTube, and I think in general, it's going to get more attention, it's going to get more eyes, more people are going to get into it, but that could be the potential for potential risk down the road too. But let me know what your thoughts are on this stock. Is this something that you're going to be willing to touch? Are you a holder? Or, what your thoughts are about it? But talk to you all guys soon. Take care. See y'all later.